Despite expectations for even higher interest rates in the United States, crypto prices have found buying support. Hello, I'm Kyle Rodder, and in this week's Cryptoverse, we take a look at US rate expectations and analyse the technicals of Bitcoin, Ether, and the Crypto 10 index. Risk assets have succumbed to expectations for far more aggressive US Federal Reserve policy. Following some strong data and hawkish jawboning from the central bank, interest rate markets are now implying a peak in the federal funds rate above 5.5%, with the non-trivial risk of rates topping out at 6%. Real yields, which is a combination of inflation and interest rate expectations, have also moved higher. The US 10-year TIPS yield has pushed back above 1.5% and to a 2-month high. The dynamic has pushed the US dollar up and stocks down. However, crypto prices have remained largely steady. Here are 3 cryptos to watch in the week ahead. Bitcoin prices have remained range-bound. However, signs of slowing upside momentum continue. The RSI is trending lower, with the crypto sold down every time it pushes above 25,000. The next key level of support appears to be around 22,800. Ether's price action points to resilience but diminished conviction amongst buyers. An ascending wedge is being carved out, with price reverting to the 50-day moving average. A break below there could open a drop towards $1,500, while resistance looks to be around $1,660. The Crypto 10 index is approaching trend line support as it flashes signs of slowing momentum and an imminent reversal. A break of that level could open a fall to 72.70, while short-term resistance appears around 69.90.